Lekato mini guitar amplifier or Lekato guitar headphone amplifier. In the test, it's a small amplifier you can buy on Amazon. The amplifier has 5 guitar effects: clean, chorus, overdrive, wah and distortion. The Lekato has Bluetooth, so you can connect your Bluetooth headphones with the Lekato, but I use the port here to connect the Lekato with a cable to my PC, the line in my PC. I will put you the link for the Lekato from Amazon into the video description, but I don't know if it's available in your country, but of course it's an idea. You can check it as a mini amplifier or a portable amplifier. But now let's check the effects. I have to say I like the wah-wah effect on this little amplifier, and of course on my guitar I like the sound of the chorus effect, and for the bass I like of course the distortion effect. I think this distortion effect of this little amplifier, it's quite nice, remembers me a little bit of Motorhead on the plate on the bass. And of course I know nothing about music. I played 20 years ago in the band for a very short time. We had one gig and I played with their more bad than good, but anyways, and I hope you have some fun with it in your playthrough of your guitar or your instrument. I think maybe it can work for an E-violin. I don't know, but yeah, why not try it out and make a video about it. But anyways, have a nice week and have fun with your small little amplifiers.